Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here. While Uncle Charles haters are out there worried about how Uncle Charles doesn't spell the word worse correctly, I do that on purpose by the way. The price action was treating us so good today. After many days of chopping, we finally got a trend day to the downside. I mentioned to everybody, guys, listen, we got this ascending triangle. If we break it down or get below it, it is going to be bearish. I wrote on my Discord here, 581.5 is the ascending triangle pattern level, and 583 is the 5 DMA. Both levels must clear to be bullish and put higher targets in play. This is the most important part. I put overall bearish below 581.5. That was the ascending triangle with 579.5 zone in play, and if it fails, 578 and 576.5 incoming. Holy moly, donut shot. We look on the 30-minute chart, 15-minute chart, whatever you want to look. You guys see this orange line is my 581.5 level. We open below it, reject it from there. I mentioned as long as below the 579.5 level is the target. We hit that target. We broke it down. Look at that. We broke it down. It was a little trappy, but overall we stayed bearish below the ascending triangle pattern. Broke it down and smash all those lower levels. Going as low as 574.4. Holy moly, donut shot. That's like a $9 move to the downside. Even if you got $2 to $3 of that $9 move, that's still a good move. And that was given to everybody that watches Uncle Charles' YouTube channel for free. That trade idea was given. We even had a nice trade idea off the bounce to the downside. It was one of my last updates on the day. 576.5 recaptured, put in 578 in play. So if you wanted to play a bounce and there was a setup right there, boom. It broke down 576.5, recaptured 576.5, and it hit 578 and it's trying to go up. You play it level to level, up, down, doesn't matter. There's money to be made. Do it sheep style. Doesn't matter. Up or down. It doesn't matter. I love it. So while people's worried about, oh man, this guy doesn't spell the word worse correctly. He speaks with a weird accent. Where is he from? I'm just out here following the price action. Me and my sheeps, we are doing our thing. Look at NVDA. Look at this beautiful move on NVDA. I wrote here on NVDA. 141 failed, put in those lower targets in play. 141 failed. Boom. Treated like resistant and smashed going down to 137.7-ish. $3-4 move. Hundreds and hundreds of dollars to be made. If you like to size up on your positions, then you probably made thousands of dollars. But look at that. Hundreds and hundreds of dollars to be made that we are making, and people worried about how Uncle Charles is spelling. What the hell? Imagine not taking Einstein serious because he couldn't tie his shoe. Imagine. Now looking at the charts here, guys. Looking at the charts here, we got the rejection from the ascending triangle. I gave you guys the ascending triangle and it represented the chop phase. We broke it down now. Gap down, broke it down, rejected. Look at that. Where's the 20 DMA? Okay, we had some buying pressure from the 20 DMA, had a little false breakdown setup intraday around that area. As of right now, guys, I cannot trust any bounce unless we get back above 582. Get back above the ascending triangle pattern, and then I would favor a bottom is in. I will take the bounce off the 20 daily moving average seriously. Okay, right now it's around 578.8. Okay, so next resistance, I'm going to put it at 580 and 582. If those levels clear tomorrow, it's bounce time. A bottom could be in. The bounce off the 20 daily moving average, I'm going to take seriously. I'm going to look to long. Play it level to level. Above 582, 583.5, 585, and 586 plus in play. I'm going to play it level to level. I'm going to play it stable. I don't care what my haters say. I'm going to stick to my trading plan. Play it level to level, and I'm going to leave runners. If the market wants to go up higher, then my runners will catch it. All right. Now, this bounce that we have here off the 20 daily moving average, if it is a dead cat bounce, then support levels must fail. 580 and 582 must not recapture on any bounce. And we got to break down support 578 and 576.5. If we get the breakdown of 576.5, especially after getting a little bounce there, then we know that that was a dead cat bounce. Okay, as of right now, based on this context, Uncle Charles is bearish until proving otherwise. Being a sheep doesn't mean being bear biased or bull biased and never changing your mind. And, it's about trading with no ego. no ego, no greed, and being prepared to for any scenario, up, down, or sideways. Right now, we finally broke the chop phase, the structure of the chop phase, which is the ascending triangle. We'll see if we'll break down the 20 DMA. That is the next critical level to watch. And if we break it down, we are heading down lower. And I would favor we go test this green trend line. Okay, we had this green trend line from the previous chop phase. Okay, once we broke out that green trend line from the previous chop phase, we head to a new all-time high. And a back test of that trend line would not be a bad idea. It would be healthy, but it would need SPY to drop all the way down to 570. And 570 would be possible if we lose the 20 daily moving average. Okay, so break down 578 and 576.5 tomorrow, then I would be bearish. If we clear 580 and 582 tomorrow, then I'm going to favor a bounce. Triple Q, beautiful, beautiful move on Triple Q intraday. But guys, we got to zoom out a bit here. Uncle had this uptrend line, okay? Uptrend line. One touch here, two touch, three touch. Almost had the fourth touch. Will we drop down lower tomorrow? If it does, it has to break down 490 and 488 to go test 486 and 484. 484 would be the fourth test off this uptrend line, okay? If this was good enough, if today's sell-off was good enough, then it needs to clear 492, 494, and 496 tomorrow, okay? Above 496 will be a breakout of this flag, and a bottom could be in. Tomorrow, 492, 494, 496 clears, get bullish. If we break down 490 and 488, get bearish with 486 and 484 below. Could get a bounce around 484. Got to be careful there. But if that is lost, bears take complete control, and we are in correction mode. NVDA, beautiful move on NVDA today. Let me go to the daily chart. What could be the next move for the NVDA? Well, today we closed at 139.5. What did that mean, guys? So remember, we had that double top. Let me make this thicker. Okay? We had that double top situation off the 141 level, guys. If you guys recall, off the 141 level. All right? And then we cleared that double top at 141 on Monday. Today, we broke it down. Is this a liquidity grab? Is this a stop loss hunting? Either way, we got a false breakout set up here, guys. As long as below 141, I am bearish on NVDA, and breakdown of 139 and 137 would be bearish follow through and send NVDA a lot lower. If some way, somehow, NVDA recap this 141, switch back to bullish. 142.5, 144, and new all-time highs are back in play. Tesla had earnings today. Okay, it's not showing me on TradingView what the results are, but it's gapping up. It's around 231 today. It closed at 213.6, and right now it gapped up like $18. Holy moly, donut shop. Remember, guys, Tesla has been chopping. You guys can see it's been chopping. With this gap up, could this be an island reversal? Island reversal is when we get this big gap down, which we did, and then it chops for a certain amount of time, and then to get out of that chop, we gap back up. That's an island reversal, and all this chop would be the island. Right now, if we open where we're at right now, because Tesla's around 231-ish, if we open up right there tomorrow, that would be a gap up. That will be an island reversal. Island reversals are bullish. So it's important we know the levels, guys. Right now it's around 230.8, 231. Next resistance at 232, 235, and 237. If we clear those levels, more upside as possible. The gap fills all the way at 238.6. And then I got 240 and 244 above. We cleared those levels, guys. We're going to continue upward. If this is a gapping crap, then depending on where we are, supports at 230, 228, and 226.5. 226.5 is a fib level. If it breaks down, bearish. We are heading back down, gap and crap. Guys, let's make this money. All the Uncle Charters haters, I don't know why they hate on Uncle Charters. They want to see me fail so bad. People just want to see me fail. That's so weird. I'm over here trying to see people succeed. But it makes me, it encourages me to keep going, because to see that there's people out there that want to see me fail, that's just crazy, because I just want to see people succeed. I'm the opposite of them, and I'm so proud that I can be the opposite of people like that. Anyways, IWM, I talked about how it's bearish, and it's continuing to be bearish. See that? I give people good trade ideas for free. for free, man. It's not about ego. I'm just happy I get to do what I love and people make money out of it. You know what I mean? Anyways, so we lost the 220 level. I can't trust no bounce unless behavior changes. We've been breaking down support levels after support levels. So we're going to have to recapture some levels, clear some resistance levels starting with 220 and 222. If it does, then maybe we can favor a bounce. Otherwise, below 220, 218 and 216.7 stays in play with 215 below that. Okay, stay bearish below 220. Above 220, maybe we can get a bounce. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Uncle Charter spells the word worse incorrectly on purpose. I do it for fun. People put out these clickbait thumbnails out there. It's so cool, amazing thumbnails, but it's all clickbait. Then you watch the videos, it's trash information. Uncle Charters does the opposite. I put stupid, title on my video, but my information is gold. It's for the sheeps. I mean, you might disagree with me. If you do, it's all good. It's all good. But look at that. Look at that. When you tell people to go short on the breakdown of this structure, and then you get a move like that to the downside, hey man, I don't care how you talk or how you spell your words. You helping me make money. You helping me feed my family. Hey man, you could sing to me if you want to. Talk how you want to. Continue to help people. And that's what I'm telling myself. Continue to help people. People who watch me, people who don't watch me, it's all good. It's all love. I'm doing what I love to do. So it's a win-win. Peace.